Synergizing HR and Housekeeping, a strategic approach to five-star hotel operations. Welcome to the Housekeeping Monitor Channel, where the synergy of human resources and housekeeping shines in the backdrop of a five-star hotel experience. Here, we delve into the collaborative efforts that make luxury seamless and operations flawless. Join us as we explore the behind-the-scenes magic that supports the pinnacle of hospitality. Stay tuned for insights, interviews, and insider tips that keep the heart of our hotel beating to the rhythm of excellence. Subscribe and embark on this journey of operational harmony with us. Human Resources Department. 1. Recruitment and Training. Coordinate with housekeeping to identify staffing needs and provide specialized training. 2. Performance Management. Develop performance metrics for housekeeping staff and assist with appraisals. 3. Employee Relations. Address housekeeping staff concerns and foster a positive work environment. 4. Policy Development. Create policies that support the welfare and productivity of housekeeping employees. 5. Compensation and Benefits. Ensure fair and competitive compensation for housekeeping staff. 6. Compliance. Monitor adherence to labor laws and regulations within the housekeeping department. 7. Conflict resolution. Mediate disputes within the housekeeping team. 8. Career development. Offer career counseling and advancement opportunities for housekeeping staff. 9. Diversity and inclusion. Promote diversity in hiring and inclusion within the housekeeping department. 10. Health and safety. Collaborate on health and safety initiatives to protect housekeeping employees. Housekeeping Department. 1. Quality standards. Maintain high cleanliness standards and provide feedback to HR on training effectiveness. 2. Inventory management. Work with HR to manage inventory of cleaning supplies and uniforms. 3. Operational feedback. Share insights with HR on operational challenges and staffing needs. 4. Employee engagement. Organize team-building activities in coordination with HR. 5. Scheduling. Coordinate with HR to manage shifts and cover absences effectively. 6. Process improvement. Suggest improvements to cleaning processes and collaborate with HR on implementation. 7. Customer service. Uphold excellent customer service standards and report back to HR on customer feedback. 8. Sustainability initiatives. Partner with HR to promote eco-friendly practices within the department. 9. Emergency preparedness. Train with HR on emergency response protocols. 10. Recognition programs. Nominate outstanding employees for recognition and rewards programs managed by HR. As we close today's insightful journey into the collaborative efforts of our human resources and housekeeping teams, we hope you've gained a deeper understanding of the synergy that powers our five-star hotel operations. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look, please show your appreciation by like, share, and subscribe to Housekeeping Monitor Channel for more exclusive content. Thank you and see you in next video.